High engine oil consumption can be caused by several factors. Some of the most common reasons include 1. Worn or damaged piston rings. If the piston rings are worn, damaged, or improperly installed, they can allow oil to leak into the combustion chamber, where it burns along with fuel, leading to higher oil consumption. Second, valve seal issues. If the valve seals are worn or cracked, oil can seep into the combustion chamber and be burned with the air-fuel mixture. Third, cylinder wall wear. Over time, the cylinder walls can become worn, allowing oil to leak past the piston rings. This can result in oil burning inside the engine. Fourth, PCV, valve problems. A malfunctioning PCV valve can cause excessive pressure in the engine, leading to oil being sucked into the intake system and burned. 5. Turbocharged engines. Turbocharged engines tend to consume more oil, especially as they age. Turbochargers can have oil seals that wear out, allowing oil to enter the intake or exhaust system, causing it to burn. Sixth, head gasket failure. A blown or leaking head gasket can allow oil to mix with the coolant or leak into the combustion chamber, causing increased oil consumption. 7. Improper oil viscosity. If the engine oil is too thin for the engine's operating conditions, it may burn off more easily. 8. Oil leaks. External leaks, such as a leaky gasket or seal, can result in oil being lost, though this typically leads to lower oil levels rather than high consumption. 9. Frequent short trips. If a car is mostly used for short trips, the engine may not reach optimal operating temperatures, which can result in higher oil consumption over time. If you're noticing unusually high oil consumption, it's worth getting your engine checked out by a mechanic to pinpoint the exact cause.